Friends, here welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in this studio we are going to see few more questions on similar triangles, chapter number 6, and this is the part 1. In this series we are going to see the different questions that are asked in the CBSE board examination on similar triangles. And also friends, in the description box I have given the PDF to download of study material, assignment number 1, assignment number 2 and assignment number 3. Download all these 3 assignments and solve the question to get the complete practice. Now let us move to the first question of this episode. Here is the first question, that the two poles of height A and B, where B is greater than A, are C meters apart. Here it is given in the question that AB and CD are the two poles which are C meters apart. So the distance between B and D is C meters, and the AB pole is of the height of A meter and CD pole is of the height of B meter. Prove that the height h in meters, this height h in meters of the point of intersection of the lines joining the top of each of the pole to the foot of the opposite pole. Top of the pole to the foot of the opposite pole, this intersection E and this h is the height of this point of intersection, and we have to find that the height h is equal to AB upon A plus B. We have to show that this h is equal to this height of this point of intersection from this ground is h meters, and we have to show that h is equal to AB upon A plus B. Now friends, first we will take this triangle ABD and EFD. We will first show that these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABD and triangle EFD. Here you will see that angle B and angle B each are 90 degree and therefore that are equal, and angle D is common to both the triangles. In triangle ABD, angle D is there, and in triangle CFD, angle D is there, and therefore angle D is common, and therefore by AA criteria these two triangles are similar. So first we will write in triangle ABD, ABD and triangle EFD. We have angle ABD, this angle ABD, this angle, which is equal to angle EFD, means this angle EFD. These are equal because each 90 degree. Now here you will see that this angle D is common. It is in this triangle as well as in this triangle also. So angle ABD, ADB is equal to angle EDF. These two are equal because both are common to both the triangles, and therefore by A criteria these two triangles are similar, and therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle EFD by AA criteria. And since these two triangles are similar, the ratio of their corresponding sides will also be equal. So we will take the ratios of the corresponding sides, that is EF upon AB, that is equal to FD upon BD, FD upon BD, correct? And now put the values. We know that EF is what? EF, this is EF, that is H meter. So put that value H upon AB. AB is what? It is A, which is equal to FD. FD, this is C minus X. This total is given as C. We are taking BF as X, and therefore FD will be C minus X. So FD is C minus X upon BD. What is BD? BD is total. This is C. Let this be equation number 1. Now similarly here we can prove that these two triangles, this triangle, I take this image down, this triangle CDB and triangle EFB both are similar, because this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and this angle B is common to both the triangles. But instead of writing this, we just write similarly. These two triangles are also similar. So similarly triangle CDB, this triangle CDB is similar to triangle EFB. And now here, since these two triangles are similar, the ratio of their corresponding sides will also be equal, and therefore EF upon CD, correct? EF and CD are the corresponding sides, which is equal to BF. This is BF similar to BD. BF similar to BD, correct? And since these two are equal, put the values of EF, CD, EF. What is EF? It's H again. EF is H. So put that value H here. CD, that CD is what? It is B. So it is H upon B, which is equal to BF. BF is what? It is X upon BD. BD, that is this total length, that is C. So X upon C. Let this be equation number 2. And instead of giving this equation as equation number 2, solve this further. Find the value of X, that X is equal to cross multiply H into C, that will be HC upon B. Now let this be equation number 2. Now put this value of X as HC upon B here in the equation number 1. So put in equation 1. So if you put here in equation 1, you will get it H upon A, that is equal to C minus value of X is what? HC upon B. We are putting it here. So HC upon B upon, what is that? C. Now we will solve this further and we will get it as, so first we will solve the numerator. So it will be H upon A, which is equal to, this will be CB minus HC. We will take B as the common factor, so LCM. So here we will multiply by B, so it will be BC minus HC. Take out C as a common factor, so inside the bracket it will be B minus H, close the bracket, upon B and upon C. It is like that. So here we can solve this further as this C and C will get cancelled. Then cross multiply, this will be BH, which is equal to multiply by A to this side. So it will be AB minus AH. Take AH to this side. So it will be BH minus AH. Take out H as a common factor because we have to find the value of H. So if you take H as a common factor, you will get A plus B which is equal to a plus b. You have taken this two, and what will left here? AB will be left here. Now take a plus b to this side, so h is equal to ab upon a plus b. And here we have proved that h is equal to ab upon a plus b. Now the next question is that a girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. If the lamppost is 3.6 meter above the ground, find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. So friends, here AB is a lamppost and the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground. So here is a lamp. It means the height of this lamp from the ground is 3.6 meter. And the height of the girl is given as 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter means 0.9 meter. So the height of the girl is 0.9 meter. That girl starts walking from the foot of the lamppost away from the lamppost, and she walks for 4 seconds. She walks for 4 seconds, correct? And the speed of that girl is 1.2 meter per second. And after 4 seconds, she reaches at a point D, and you have to find her shadow. Let it be x meter. This shadow you have to find. So here first we will take the triangle ABE. In triangle ABE and triangle CDE. In this triangle CDE, triangle CDE, we can prove these two triangles are similar because angle B and angle D are equal, because each 90 degree. Angle B is equal to angle D because each 90 degree. And angle E, this angle E is equal to angle E because common. Angle E is equal to angle E because common, and therefore by AA criteria these two triangles are similar. Therefore triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. Okay, these two triangles are similar by AA criteria. And since these two triangles are similar, the ratio of their corresponding sides are also equal. Therefore BE, its corresponding side is DE. So BE upon DE, which is equal to AB, its corresponding side is CD. So AB upon CD. Now here BE upon DE, correct? BE upon DE, but BE can be written as BD plus DE. Here BD we can calculate that the speed of the girl is 1.2 meter per second and she walks for 4 seconds. So the distance covered by her will be 4 into 1.2, and 4 into 1.2, that is equal to 4.8 meter. So this BD distance is 4.8 meter. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Very simple. So BD is 4.8 meter. So this BE we can write as BD plus DE. This BE, that is BD plus DE upon DE, which is equal to AB upon CD. Now this can be solved further, that BD plus DE, that is 4.8 plus X. So it is 4.8 plus X upon DE. DE is again X. So which is equal to AB upon CD, that is 3.6 upon 0.9. 3.6 upon 0.9. This will be 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. Solve this further, cross multiply. Here it will be 4x, correct? So 4.8 plus x, which is equal to 4x. Take x to this side, so that will be minus x, so 4x minus x will be 3x, and so 3x is equal to 4.8, and therefore x is equal to 1.6. 3 ones are 3 and 3 6s are 18, so it will be 1.6 meter. And so here the shadow of the girl after 4 seconds, that is x meter, it means it will be 1.6 meter. So friends, here we will stop. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.